Hello and welcome to Math with Dotun. We have a question here to solve on the area of a circle, and we are giving our radius in fraction. All right, so this is a circle with a radius of 3.5 centimeters. A circle has a radius of 3.5 centimeters. Find its area. We have a circle with a radius of 3.5 centimeters. We have to find the area. We're given pi as 22/7. So let's state the formula. So area equals pi times radius squared. All right, we know our pi to be 22/7, and then we know our radius to be 3.5 centimeters. Let's convert that to an improper fraction for easy calculation. So that's 2 times 3, 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So we have 7/2 centimeters. So our radius is 7/2 centimeters. Now let's slot in the values and calculate. So we have pi times radius squared, all right, which is radius times radius. So radius times radius. Okay, all right. So here, like I told you in the first video, since you're not using a calculator, there's no need to make your calculation cumbersome. So what you should do before you multiply numerators and denominators, check if there's a way you could simplify by dividing the numerator and the denominator that have common factors. All right, so here we have 7 downstairs and 7 upstairs, so that means we can divide. So 7 goes there once, and 7 in 7 is 1. All right, we also have 2 here. 2 can go in 22, right? So 2 in 2 is 1, and 2 in 22 is 11. All right, at this point, there's no common factor between the denominators and the numerators. All right, so what do? We multiply the numerators. So we have 11 times 1, 11 times 7, that is 77. All right, and then centimeters times centimeters will be centimeters squared. Then we also multiply the denominator. We have 1 times 1 times 2, and that will give you 2. So we have 77/2 centimeters squared. So we can take this to mixed numbers. All right, 2 in 7 is 3, remainder 1, and then using our short division, 3 in 17, 2 in 17 is 8, remainder 1, and that's over 2. So if you're writing this as mixed number, you have 38 whole number 1/2 centimeters squared. All right, you can also write it as a decimal. 1/2 is 0.5, so that will be 38.5 centimeters squared. So the radius, the area of a circle with a radius 3.5 centimeter is 38.5 centimeter squared. All right, please do well to like and share, and let's hear from you in the comments. Thank you. Bye.